Hey, welcome to Boozehive. In this video, we're going to make an easy Blue Hawaiian cocktail. This is an awesome tasting drink, which looks like a baby blue version of the pina colada. Let's get into it. Start by adding 2 parts white rum, 1 part crème de coconut, 2 parts pineapple juice, 1 part lemon juice, then for the awesome colour, 1 part blue curacao. Fill your shaker with ice and give the drink a long shake. There you go, an easy Blue Hawaiian cocktail. Garnish with a pineapple slice, but if you can't find them, a lemon will do. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you plan to try it out, give the video a like. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next drink.